As your e-commerce business expands, you need to move faster, from design and building to content management. But right now, you're stuck, relying on lengthy developer cycles, interpreting data, manually managing content, wishing it would all just go faster. Well, Shogun is here to supercharge your growth. Recognized for our easy-to-use, no-code page builder, we've empowered over 35,000 brands. And like you, we're not slowing down. It's time to smash through the e-commerce ceilings you've been hitting with our new optimization tools and AI-powered features, all to make your expansion easier. Shogun empowers established brands to scale content across multiple stores fast. Imagine, no more tedious manual store updates. You can make sweeping changes to several pages, all from one place. Plus, with content syncing, clone high volumes of content across multiple stores or locales instantly. And we're just getting started. Shogun AI is here, so you can start generating text, page sections, and soon even whole pages at light speed. Plus, with new optimization features, you can get actionable insights as you build to convert more and impact revenue faster. It's time to match your store's aspirations with smarter solutions in your stack. Build the store you actually imagined. Top brands scale, only on Shogun.